Pets Best, the ultimate guide to your pet's health and safety. Introduction: Why pet insurance matters. As pet owners, we consider your furry friends as members of the family. Just like humans, pets can fall ill or get info. Accidents and medical treatment can become quite expensive. Pet insurance help is that financial burden, while ensuring your pets receive the best possible care. On company that stand you in the pet insurance industry is Pets Best. This guide gives deep info what makes pets best a reliable option, covering everything from its history to how you can make the most out of its policy. What is Pets Best? Pets Best is a leading pet insurance company that offers comprehensive health coverage for your beloved pet. Its goal is to ensure that you don't have to worry about medical expense, allowing you to spend more quality time with your furry friends. Whether it's a routine checkup, emergency surgery, or even alternative treatments, pet beds provide us a safety net so that you can focus on that truly matters: the health and happiness of your pet. History and background of Pets Best. Pets was founded in 2005 by Dr. Jack Steffens on the opinion in the pet insurance industry. His mission was to provide financial security to pet owners so that pets could receive the best possible medical care. Dr. Stephens' personal experience with losing a pet due to financial contracts drove him to care a solution that would present other pet owners from facing similar heartbreak. Today, Pets Best has ground info on of the most respected names in pet insurance now for its customer centric approach, fast claim processing, and customizable coverage plan. Why choose Pets Best? When selection pet insurance, you want a provider that balance comprehensive coverage, affordability, and excellent customer service. Pets Best excels in all these areas, making it a top contender in the pet insurance market. Here is why: customizable coverage. Choose a plan that suits your pet specific need and your budget. Quick claim processing. Most claims are processed with 2 to 5 days, faster than many competition. No upper age limits. Pet-based coverage pets of all ages, so senior pets are left you are included in certain plans. 24 by 7 pet helpline. Access expert advice anytime, day or night. Feature and benefit of Pets Best. Comprehensive coverage plan. Cover accidents, illness, surgeries, prescriptions, and diagnostic tests. Alternative treatments such as acupuncture, structure and zero practice are protection against genetic and hereditary conditions, flexible plan, tailor your policy with option for annual limits, deductible and reimbursement rates. Choose a plan according to your budget and needs. Fast claim processes. Submitted claims through their mobile app or online portal. Most claim processed within 2 and 5 days. 24 customer supports. Dedicated team available to assist with any question or conversations. Wellness plan. Optional coverage for preventive care, including vaccinations, dental cleaning, and routine exams. Coverage option. Pets Best offer survival type of coverage. Accident only plan. Covers injuries related to accidents such as broken bones, cuts, and poisoning. Accidental plan. Coverage accidents and illness but excluded alternative therapies and exam fees. Plus plan adds coverage for exam fees, hereditary conditions and prescription medications. Elite plan provides the highest level of coverage, including alternative treatment and rehabilitations. How to get a policy with Pets Best? Visit the website. Go to Pets Best official website and click on Get a Quote. Provide pet information. Enter your pet's name, age, breed, and location. Choose a plan. Select a plan that fits your budget and need. Make a payment. After payment, you will receive your policy details and coverage information by email. Pets Best claim process. Get treatment, visit any licensed vet for your pet's treatment. Collect bills. Obtain all medical bills and reports from the vet. File a claim online. Log in for the Pets Best app or website and select File a claim. Receive reimbursement. Once provide, the funds will be directly deposited into your bank account. I hope this article provided you will all the estimated information about Pets Best. If you like to learn more, feel free to ask. Please like and subscribe your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.